Wire-free home security cameras are one of the best ways to add peace of mind and convenience to your home, letting you keep an eye on things while you're away. Uniden's App Cam Solo PT2K range provides all the features you need to keep a clear view of what's happening around your house. The App Cam Solo PT2K is a 100% wire-free pan-tilt home security camera that offers hassle-free coverage with flexibility to put almost anywhere. With a huge 355-degree pan and 140-degree tilt field of vision, this camera can cover wide areas to stay effective even in tricky installations. Outdoor installations are a breeze with flexible mounting solutions, and when combined with the solar panel, you'll have 24/7 coverage with no need to bring the camera indoors for charging. Super HD 2K resolution and colour night vision provide the detail you need in home security, capturing details like facial features and tattoos clearly. It's important to have identifying details like this on critical footage. Uniden's Thermo Sense and movement sensing technology effectively eliminate unwanted alerts, while AI sorting delivers contextual information such as whether the camera has detected a vehicle or a person. This means you'll only receive a notification when you really need one. Privacy masking is added to this model, allowing you to black out the areas a user does not want recorded and prioritise where surveillance needs to be on. Dual backup from inbuilt micro SD storage and Uniden's 7-day rolling cloud storage means there's no hidden fees when it comes to offsite backups. However, longer-term cloud storage plans are available where necessary. High-quality two-way talk allows for dealing with visitors at the push of a button, even when you're away from home. The inbuilt siren can be sounded if necessary to deter unwanted visitors. The Uniden App Cam Solo PT2K is a great choice for tricky installations, where you need to capture a wide area with only one camera, and is available as a kit with a solar panel and also in white and black colour. The massive pan and tilt capabilities offer wide coverage from a single point, and the added benefits of Uniden's ecosystem are the cherry on top.